Python exception message capturing. This doesn't seem to work. I get syntax error. What is the proper way of doing this for logging all kind of exceptions to a file?
You have to define which type of exception you want to catch. So write accept exception as E column instead of accept E column for a general exception. Other possibility is to write your whole try to accept code this way. In older versions of Python 2.x, use accept exception E instead of accept exception as E.
The syntax is no longer supported in Python 3. Use the following instead.
Updating this to something simpler for Logger works for both Python 2 and 3. You do not need traceback module. This is now the old way, though still works. exe_value is the error message.
There are some cases where you can use the e.message or e.messages. But it does not work in all cases. Anyway, the more safe is to use the STR E.